Yo. What up? I will be right back. I think I just got a package and I'm not sure what it's for. But in the meantime, check out this new camera I have set up. I bought an app that lets me use a smartphone as a camera. It's not my own smartphone. I'm not going to be doing that. But it's one of my old ones, so I'll also probably be moving this to the soldering area as well. But yeah, I'll be right back. I am back. Package received. All right, anyway, you guys like the new camera? Hey, Monk Moon Man, what's up? Yeah, I got one of my old smartphones set up. Coldy Cold, what up? Yeah, the all white is just it's just kind of my testing print color, but it does look good, and it reminds me of the original Hexapod too. Anyway, yeah, we'll be using this new scene, just not right now. This is looking good. All right, cool. So I had to make a couple not even changes, just some of the tolerances were too tight because of the bridging, I presume. But after I fixed those, well, speaking of the new scene, I mean, here it is. Can you guys still hear me? Yeah, it looks like you can. There's no mic here. Would it be weird if I flipped this camera? No, flipping it's not going to really do anything. I just need to display it better. Maybe this works. Let's just do this. So here is the leg in all its glory. The this works nicely. There's no spring, and that's kind of what I want to try today, to just add some sort of springiness. We'll see. I have a couple ideas. But the curve looks, I mean, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Very, very sturdy. I'll try to do a twisting test. This is putting it pretty. It's very, very solid. It's not obvious. So yeah, I want to try to add some sort of spring to this. Is there anything else? Not really. Oh, I needed to fix the scaling in the feed file. All right, let's try to add the spring. Where's my clip? What does that mean? Oh shit, I actually forgot to record. I think I forgot to record like an update of... Yeah, shit. All right, I need to record a little update video for the Tibia, like in a real life. So I'll be right back. Do I use... Maybe I use this new scene. I'm gonna test how the audio is. All right, this is a test to see how the audio sounds. I'm projecting kind of hard with my voice, but I don't know. And now I'm just talking a bit normally. Hopefully it works out. We'll see. Oh, look at that autofocus. That's weird. The battery clip you recorded last night. The battery clip? I recorded... I don't know what you're saying. What are you talking about? Alright, this is a test to see how the audio sounds. It's not good. Kind of hard with my voice, but... Nope, not good. Not good. That's why we test. I'm gonna just use what I normally use. I have a mic for my smartphone. Where are all my tripods? I ran out of tripods. What the hell? I bought more actually last night. They're coming tomorrow. And I have no. This tripod. There you go. You guys can, this is not gonna work. There. You, here, you get this view. Just give me a second. Okay. Here is what the tibia looks like, fully printed. It took a couple revisions. Okay. See, this is ruining my footage. Okay, anyway. It took a couple revisions to get the tolerances right, but now that they are right, it works perfectly. There's no spring in this, so there's like 0 resistance. That's something I still want to add. But, I mean, here it is. It's solid, it works. There's not much to say. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I love the curve in the femur, complementing the curve in the tibia. Something I may want to change is this right here. It's kind of colliding a little bit, but I don't know. Do you even need to make it get closer? Maybe. Some mounting holes for like armor pieces or something. Oh, I cannot use whiting. Oh, maybe. Do some wide angle footage, just so you can fit more in the picture. So here it is. I'm gonna see if I can get some sort of 3D printed solution for a spring, some sort of shock absorbing solution. Yeah. All right, I don't think. I think I need to say anything else. Now, is this upside down? Yeah. How do I flip this? I don't think I can flip this. Alright. It's one annoying thing with the app, I guess. All right. Alrighty. Let's try to do the spring. Spy camera, yeah, right. I do have a lot of tripods, and they're all being used. I have one tripod hooked up to my nice camera, like my really nice camera. I have a tripod holding my face cam, and then there's another tripod there. I thought I had a third one though. But I don't, or a fourth one, I guess. But maybe, you know what? I think I only had 2. Regardless, I bought 2 more. Can I show you which ones I bought? I just don't want to, like, I don't want to show anything I shouldn't. Yeah, okay. So I just bought 2 of these, which are going to be perfect for my cell phones. Because I was looking into webcams that looked nicer, but I just realized I had a bunch of smartphones. So I found an app that, I mean, you can see it's working perfectly. Oh, it was just a wedding gift. A really nice, not like expensive, but a nice wedding gift. I thought it was going to be something related to this, but it was a nice surprise. So yeah, these are coming tomorrow, hopefully. We'll see. Anyway, spring and fixing the scaling. I did order the book bouquet, although I'm gonna pretend like I didn't if Natalie asks. You gotta set the expectations low, you know? Because then when you exceed them, it feels even better. She's not here. Don't worry. She might be watching the stream though. She's not. She's probably not. Costs like $200. Like shipping and taxes and 3 books. That's okay. She's making the money anyway, so I'm basically spending her money to buy a gift. Tell her we bought her a snail. Yeah. I'm just gonna tell her we're just gonna go out to eat or something. Also, it might not even come on her birthday. Okay, whatever. All right. I'm gonna go with my first idea for this spring. Like, there's some ideas where like you can like a 3D print a spring and like attach it to this or something, but I want to see what it looks like to turn this into a spring. Okay. We've got enough room. We've definitely, I mean, more than enough room. The question is like where, like which file do we even do it in? Like where did I? Is it the Tibia file? No. It's the foot file. It's slightly confusing, but that's okay. Do I feel like I want to take the foot file and then like change it. We're gonna go here, okay? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go here. We're in the shaft component. And I'm gonna just make a sketch on top of this, all right? What's up? You can right click and edit feature. Oh, that's convenient. Yeah, that's very convenient. That's good to know. Now, if you can tell me how to rotate this entire thing like this, but not that far, that would be great, because I keep turning my head and I'm gonna break my neck. Yeah, I'm using the orbit tool. I don't... Oh. Wonderful. Okay. You had to click on the circle. I want to draw a spring shape over top of this and then kind of like delete the existing one and, you know, okay, so we have a line there, and then, geez, I guess I want to start it, because, like, We gotta finish this sketch because yeah, you said I could select to feature. Yeah. I don't know. Surely this is a fillet, right? Ah. Okay. Because I also want to extend this back to here. Although maybe I just suppress this. Which one is it? It's probably this one. Yep. Because if we're doing a spring, I want it to be basically already pressed down. Although I'm realizing now I still want this. I want it to be barely not pressed down. Maybe -1. Because I want a little motion to press it down and then the rest of the motion to be compressing the spring. That is something I was not able to do with the previous version. So this is already an improvement if I get it to work. Okay. Okay, this is good. So from here to here, I want to make my spring. Hey Dave, what's up? Dusty, how's it going, guys? Alden boys. Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking. So this is a compression. It's not going to extend. It's. I need to draw it extended so it compresses. And then I want to repeat whatever pattern I make along this curve, this line. I think I can do it. Yeah, you missed about 3 or 4 lines, something like that. We've got it working in real life. There it is. Now I'm just trying to do the spring. The first hour and a half was literally 3 or 4 lines. Yeah, it's literally my old cell phone, which was not being used, so it's perfect. I just hope it can hold a battery. Like, it's plugged in, but... Alright, I'm gonna do a little test. So... Bam. Oh, okay, the test already failed. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam. Oh yeah, this looks good. This is really good. That's sarcasm. Okay, can I take this and do a rectangular pattern along a line? I don't think so. What are you doing? What the hell? What is happening here? But what I do think I can do is... I think I can do the extrusions like that. Hold on, I'm gonna do an even simpler thing. We're just gonna do this. Just like 1 a.m. I think. A circular pattern along the arc. Okay. Let's try it. Because that could definitely work. Oh. Oh my god, I think that did work. Yeah, baby, let's go. You're so right. Let's go. That's perfect. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, we can do it in the sketch. Wonderful. I was thinking along a path as well, but because this is an arc, yeah, because it's a circle, that will work perfectly. Now I just have to design it properly. I pressed escape. Apparently I... Oh, gosh. This is not what I want, to be clear. I'm just trying things. I need it to be already extended, which honestly makes this easier to do. Is what I'm trying to do not possible? Tangent is not it. Why can't I make these concentric? Oh, I did, and I can. Okay. Okay, this is unbelievable that I have to do this, but I don't know how else to do this. So, this is what we're doing. This is what we're doing. All right. Fortunately, we don't have to do it often because we're repeating a bunch of stuff. Okay. What's the idea? Why do you have the end of the pushing rod already at the switch? Okay, here's the idea. Good question. I want any little movement at all to press the switch. Ideally, it's not pressed down at this position. So I will adjust it to make it press down, so to make it just barely not press down. So then the first motion does not compress the spring, it presses down the switch. The rest of the motion is compressing. This way I can make the spring as hard as I want to absorb more impact. The previous version, the only time this switch was pressed down was when the spring was fully decompressed because of it was a different type of spring. But still, that meant I had to make the spring really loose. But with this, I can make it actually function as shock absorbing. So I really like this design if I can get it to work. Yeah, it could, a coil couldn't print. But yeah, I mean, obviously, like, why not just buy a spring, right? Good. Because this is going to be a spring that I'm drawing a spring that's decompressed, and then it's going to compress as it gets pushed down. It will bottom out on this. I hope it can take the force, but I guess we'll worry about that later. It's not that much force. Why did I press that button? How? Ooh. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, I have an idea. I was gonna say, like, cause like the length of this could change, right? But how about we make the degree you'll see. So it's this dimension is this divided by, let's say 3. I guess. I don't know. Maybe 4. Let's do 4. Okay. Then your spring travel is going to need to be shorter than the rod actuation. I don't know what you mean by that. Yeah, the switch will have to take the force, which it can, which it pretty easily can. I mean, because, so like the entire thing will shift over to press the button, and that'll only be like this much movement, right? And then the rest of the movement is going to be the spring compressing. Hopefully. Does that make sense? Might not make sense. What is this measurement? thought I made this parallel. All right, let's see it. Yes, yes. I fully understand that this would work. I just can't 3D print this, but like I could buy a spring. I just don't want to do that. But you're absolutely right. Wrapping, and I said this yesterday, you weren't there, it's fine. Wrapping a spring around this would completely work. That is a totally valid solution, but it's not 3D printed. It's an extra part. It's another thing that you might not be able to source, or I don't know. If it can be 3D printed, it makes things so much easier. All the person needs is PET-G, because obviously PLA would not be good. Hopefully all that makes sense. With that said, if you want to try to find a spring for me that would work, that would be awesome. Oh, another problem is like this distance changes, right? The user can change the tibia length. So would you need to find a spring that, I guess you could cut the spring you buy? Why can you print it? Why can't I print it? I mean, those overhangs are like insane. What are you talking about? I guess you could potentially print it at a 45. I don't know, dude. I don't think printing a spring like that is a good idea. You can try. I mean, it's inherently a spring, so like the higher it goes, the harder it is it's gonna be to print. You go for it, man. I don't think it'll work well, but really? I just realized I could actually make the spring match. Oh, that would be so cool. But no. But then the repeat would work. Never mind. Although, with this, do I even need the repeat? Okay, I'm gonna try something. Come on, it's drawing a line. It shouldn't have to load like that. Ugh. Okay, and then this dimension should be, yes, it's identical. Good. I'm going to try something. I'm not going to do the repeat. It's just always going to be 4 segments. So it's going to go, woo, 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 woo. And, or wait. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. And I want to try this. I just think it would be so freaking cool. And it would make better use of the space, potentially. Damn it. Why am... I am not entirely sure why I'm able to change that. Oh. Oh, that's weird. Okay, I guess. No, that's not right. That's not. What the hell? Wait, what? These are supposed... Are these not... I thought these were coincident. Well, no wonder it was being weird. Okay. Okay, anyway, no idea if this is gonna work, but I love the idea. Okay. And the best part about this is, well, one of the great parts about this is that it scales properly. Okay. Yeah, no, I wanted to finish at the bottom side so it doesn't knock into this, if that's what you're saying. Oh crap, I did not mean to do that. I don't know what just happened. Oh, okay. Super annoying. How? Okay, this is a straight line, right? But I just want it to be a certain distance from... Super annoying. I need to do this, but it's fine. It's all fine. Everything's fine. Spring width, thickness. It's got to be thickness, right? I doubt 1 millimeter is going to be good, but well, if I doubt that, then why don't I do something that I think will be good? How about 2 millimeters? Okay, so why is it? Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, now why does this? Sure, dude, sure. Okay, now why can this move? Oh, okay, now that actually makes sense. Concentric. I'm realizing now that can just be a straight line. Okay, so I'll be able to extrude this. I'll be, yep, this. Okay, good. Why is this a construction line? Wasn't I supposed to be using this? I just want to make this easier to extrude. Right. There. Okay. Good. This is really good. Hey, Jad. Hexapod is back indeed. I mean, you could have went odd and then started down. It's either way works. I just arbitrarily chose an even number. It really, because it just looks better, I guess. It really does not matter. No idea if this is gonna work, but it's gonna look really cool. Oh gosh. And isn't that half the battle, just looking cool? It is, to be clear. It is, for at least what I'm doing. If you want to show off any of your projects, it looking cool is more important than you think. All right. I love James Bruton, but all his stuff is just so boxy and uninspired. The designs, the actual things he's making is insane. His last video, I don't know if you guys saw it, is the coolest thing I have ever seen. He built like a bald wheel motorcycle. It unbelievably cool. That, it doesn't matter. I mean, just that idea itself, it doesn't matter what it looks like. It's going to be cool. But you guys know, I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about when I say all this stuff is just boxy. Although maybe he just does that so it's more supported, like so it's stronger. I don't know. I don't know. That was weird. Why did that happen? Why is this parallel or perpendicular? What the hell? There we go. What did I say? I said, yeah, James That's his name, right? Bruton. Bruton. Are you just saying like you like him like James? I love him too. I freaking love this channel. It's a phenomenal work. Come on. Drawing a line should not make it freaking load. Okay. Anyway, what is wrong? Oh, this. I think this fixes the entire thing now. Ooh, we're close. There. Yes. Spring! It is spring. Not the season, but never mind. Okay. We need some lines now. Okay. This is kind of weird. I'll finish the sketch. I mean, I don't know, dude. everything is just like 10 to 20% more expensive. I'm not really sure. Function over form. Yeah, exactly. That is his style. You thought that was canceled, huh? Dude, freaking Canada's. Or I don't know why he's beefing with Canada. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense at all. But whatever, I guess. There's literally nothing I can personally do about it. Okay, I'm realizing I don't need that point. I just need to do this. There. Okay, so we've got this. And you know what? Frankly, we might as well just go all the way here. Okay, so we're extruding this. Well, first we're extruding this, and then we're getting rid of this. We're getting rid of this, but you know, I'm just gonna do it the neat way. I definitely do not have to do this, probably, but we're gonna do it anyway. Okay, so now I can, yeah, there we go. And it's important to know all of this stuff will scale with the length of the tibia, probably. At least that's the idea. And if it doesn't, I'm going to probably spend the rest of the stream getting it too. Could I have just hold on? I need to. Does this work? No. I was gonna say, like, what I really want is to just take this long line and like split it up into segments. I don't even know what I just did. Okay, I don't know. We're so close. There's no reason to even think about that. All right, what are we missing? Bam, 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 bam. That's it. We're done. Bam. What a beautiful sketch. So no, we're not repeating along the curve like we originally planned, but this will perfectly scale with the tibia length, hopefully. So, now if you make the tibia too small, this will not work well. To be clear. And frankly, I'm not really sure how. Oh, I guess if I was, the number of repetitions would be like tibia length divided by like 20 rounded up or something weird. I don't know. If this works, that'd be ideal. Okay, let's do it. I guess we're gonna get rid of these segments first. I don't think it matters which order we do it in. There's our spring baby looking good. And unironically, there's our spring baby looking good. Here we go. Wow. If this works, that's gonna be really funny. Or I guess if it doesn't work, it'll be funny. If it does work, that'll be awesome. And here's a little trick we're gonna do. We're gonna do the chamfer after the fillet, because doing the fillet first will make the chamfer just, it'll chamfer all along the entire edge. These, and by the way, for this spring, these curves are very important. It helps distribute the load. Otherwise, all the force would be like onto the corners. Nope. Undo. 3, 4. Nope. 3. We're gonna do 2. Okay, and now that chamfer should, yep, the chamfer goes all the way along. I have no idea if this will work, but gosh darn it, it's a cool design. Let's print it. I bet you if it doesn't work, it's because it's pressed down too much. Well, that doesn't mean we can't test it, right? Now we don't need the stopper because the spring is the stopper, but I will alter the design of the, if we are sticking with this, then the spring would have to, it's fine. Let's just test this. Inner chamfer to outer chamfer difference should be thickness of the spring. So yeah, that actually makes a lot of sense. I don't know why I did that. Go to shaft. You're saying chamfer, you mean fillet, but I got what you're saying. This can be the inner. Yeah, I was thinking the outer and the inner shouldn't be the same. But since I made them all the same and it looked fine, I was going to leave it. But now that you bring that up, I agree with you. The outer should be bigger than the inner. So here's the inner. We're going to make it the spring thickness. And then now we do the outer, and we're going to make it spring thickness times 2. At least that's what Cold is saying. Hey, Simple, what's up, dude? I don't design anything as cool as Acer does. Thanks. Progress is going well, man. Yeah. Although, oh, here. I mean, I'm sure multiple people haven't seen this yet. Oh, did my phone turn off? I'm sorry. My phone locked. That's annoying. Ugh, it's super annoying. In the flesh, though. It's looking good. I paid $15 for this app, by the way, to make my phone a webcam. So enjoy it. Can I check out your Hexapod? Did you post it in the Discord? I would love to. I will look at it on stream. If you haven't already, make a showcase post, and I'll check it out. Money well spent. Yeah, I know there was a free demo with like a watermark and stuff, and it worked, and I immediately just bought the full version for $15. Removes stress risers, which will cause the spring to fail. Okay. Yeah, because yeah. Yep. That makes sense. I just didn't know the name for it. You just printed your old version and you just got it going. Hell yeah. No, you don't have to reprint it, dude. If it's working, don't reprint yet. Even though the files are available, if you can find them, don't print it yet, please. How do I edit? Is it this? Where's the value? There it is. Okay. And then I wanted this to, there it is. I wanted to be spring thickness times 2. Oh, yeah, you are absolutely correct. That is pretty nice. Is this 2? That's 3. How did that happen? Wait, why did I make it 2? Oh, I mean, the spring thickness and the shaft thickness don't have to be... Yeah, no, that's fine. Although, it's fine. Okay, I missed one. Shame on me. It's pretty good. It's pretty freaking good. Let's test it. I'm gonna test probably 3 different thicknesses. Yeah, that is a sexy spring, if I do say so myself. We'll see if it actually works. My fear is that it'll like compress in a way that I don't like. But like, what if the whole thing just like goes down instead of evenly compressing? I don't really know. We'll see. I wonder if there's a way to like force it to compress in the way I want. It's such a small movement though. It's fine. It's probably fine. Well, I guess we'll find out. This is spring thickness of 2, foot shaft with 2 millimeter, I guess. 2 millimeter spring. Let's do... What does 3 look like? Really? Okay. Are you sure the fillet should be 2 times? Why wouldn't that work? I understand. This should not be the spring thickness. This should just always be probably like probably 2. This should always be 2. This should always be 4. It will never change. Yeah, that was my bad. This looks wrong. Something's wrong with my sketch. Is this not constrained? Oh, yikes. Yiker. Whoops. Whoopsies. Is anything else not constrained? I mean, yes, but what? I wish it was more obvious. Whatever. I don't care. It's probably fine. This doesn't... I don't see a dimension on this one. What the fuck? What the heck is going on here? Okay, I think I found what wasn't constrained. I don't even know how that happens. It's still not constrained. Oh, wait. What's wrong with this? What's going on here? This line isn't constrained for some reason. Wait, this one isn't either. What's wrong with it? What's going on? What the hell happened to this? I see. How do I want to do this? I guess we get rid of that this entire block and then re-extrude it. Oh, really? It goes the other way? Yeah, I know. Yeah, all right. I deserve this. This is what I deserve. Because I did it the wrong way. Yeah. There we go. Okay. So now we go to this, and we're deleting this as well. Okay. And now we're extruding. Does it actually still... What? Spent all that time. What is this line? It's probably because... Well, bright news. The sketch is fully constrained. Is this line because this is like separate? Is it because of this? Should this be multiple sketches? I mean, ultimately, it really does not matter. Like, I can just... Is this not a... Seriously? I love this program so much. These are definitely parallel. What if I also extruded that? I don't know. What is this line? What is this line? Any tricks for getting the button springs off the build plate? Do you have a scraper? Yeah. What do you mean remove one of the faces? What does that even mean? Brother, why does it look like it's melting? Ignoring the fact that I print it in this orient, or are you saying you'd print the springs separately, I guess, and then, I mean, okay, can you make it like a 45, like, cause I want a spring that'll compress, right? This looks already, I mean, I know it's not already compressed, but it looks pretty compressed. Yo. Okay, this was, I don't know if he's still here, Ahmet's Hexapod. Looking good. Yeah, you got the balancing. It's a little delayed, that's okay though. Oh, I guess it's not delayed. That's fantastic. Now, most people who do this demo, that means they don't have it walking, but that's okay. This is really cool. Looks like you took, you used Make Your Pets Build, which is awesome. He has a great design. If you guys don't know who that is, you just search Make Your Pet into YouTube, and he also has a Hexapod that's open source. His runs off a cell phone, which is pretty cool. This is sick though. Nice job. Yours is very clearly not running off a cell phone. Yeah, great job, dude. Hey, Garrett. So it's funny that you say start a beef with him. Does anyone here actually know my history with him? I'm just curious before I say anything. Really? Are you using PetG, or you gotta use PetG? If they're breaking, if they're like snapping. Yeah, sorry, I don't know if use PetG. I know you don't. I'm saying if anyone else does. Select the face and press delete. Are you serious? That's all I have to do? No way. What? Wait, what the hell? You could just delete the face? Okay, so it's its own thing. Are you serious? Do you know how many problems that would have solved? You just delete the face. Oh, you are using PetG. That's what the springs are made of. Yeah, okay, above average adhesion. Wow, so you're scraping them off and they're just they're like snapping? Huh. What bed are you using? It might, are you using something that has like a really high adhesion or something? You might maybe use a glue stick to help it come off. I've never done that, to be clear, but I've read and seen that. Yeah, letting it cool down might help. I'm sure he has though. I use a PEI textured plate, which it's like just the right amount of adhesion. Yeah, don't do it on a texture plate. But I don't know. Did you say that's what he was using? You're in the Make Your Pet Discord? Nice. Yeah, I didn't, before I had before I had this YouTube channel and just, you know, Acer Robotics in general, I was just posting my Hexapod progress. Oh, actually, that's not true. Hold on. Yeah, okay, no, that was true. Before I had a YouTube channel, I was posting my Hexapod progress in his Discord and onto Reddit. And then everyone was like, in the Discord and on Reddit, people were like, hey, you should make YouTube videos, make a YouTube channel. I'm like, all right. So I do. And then I ask, like, can I post my YouTube videos here? And he's like, yeah, definitely. So I do. And they started doing pretty well. And things happened in between, I guess. And then he banned me from the Discord. I don't want to get into it, but that's pretty much what. So it's for the best though, I guess, because then I made my own Discord eventually, and you know. No, we're not doing a diss track. I love what he does. I love his project. I think, okay, I will say, I think he thought like I stole his code or I copied his code or something. I can't even read his code. It's like Java or something. It's like, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. I love what he does. He actually has a new video. I'm literally advertising him now, but he just released a video after 2 years of him like driving his Hexapod around at the park. And he has like cameras and like a bunch of children like chase him around. It's honestly like peak cinema, and it's awesome. It's freaking awesome. So here. No, I'm not gonna link it. Do not tell him I sent you. Please. But definitely, yeah, you watched it today. Definitely check it out. He has like a new leg design, which I'm not gonna lie, it looks really good. It looks heavily, maybe not heavily, it looks inspired by Zenta's Hexapod, which, I mean, mine was also, it's a great Hexapod to be inspired by. It's so cool. It's looking really good. For controlling sucks. Yeah, I mean, hey, it's easy, right? You just use a cell phone to control another cell phone, and then like you think like, yeah, you have a touchscreen, you could do literally anything. Well, you can't do literally anything. You can't have buttons. You can't have physical buttons, and there's only so much real estate. That's why I'm a huge fan of like making the physical controller, but there's pros and cons. Yeah. Yeah, he's seen others succeed. Yeah, that's what it kind of felt like. I don't know. And to give him some benefit of the doubt, text can be like tone is hard to be interpreted through text, and I don't know, man. It doesn't matter. It literally does not matter. It's just slightly unfortunate, I guess. Wait, his is using Dynamixel servos? Is there a new video? Well, now I gotta. But guys, please, I'm begging you, don't like be. What the fuck? Oh, How I Met Your Mother is funny. Do not mention my name. I know he just posted. Okay, I'm not sure. This is Dynamixel? Are you sure? I love just taking it to the park, and I'm not. I don't want to get copyright struck. I don't know. Well, dang, that's freaking awesome, then. I can't justify spending that money just yet, but. You're here. I'm here to just the Hexapod community of like 3 people. Yeah. No. Okay. Anyway, deleting the face, freaking revolutionary, overpowered technique, I guess. Did not know that was a thing. So. Now, can we actually change this variable without it shitting itself? Yeah, we can. Well, almost. Now what? All right. Yeah. There's that face. Guess what? Bye. Good night. Deleted. What the hell, dude? What the hell? You can just delete faces. Did anyone know that except Coldy? Did anyone know that? Like, that's crazy. Because like in Blender, when you delete the face, well, We don't talk about Blender, but whatever. Cool. All right. Let's actually 3D print this. I've just been wasting time basically. Foot shaft, 2 millimeter spring. Save, overwrite. We'll do 4 variations because we have 2 available printers right now. The third one has TPU, so. Oh no. Oh, I see a face. Hello. Oh, you know what? We can even combine. I bet we can combine it. Bam, bam. All deleted. Jeez. That's crazy, man. All right, what did I just do? 2.5. I posted yours in the Discord. Wait, what? Oh. Oh yeah, this one is this using the 99 the MG 996s or whatever they're called? Cuz it is very difficult to make a hexapod using those. They kind of suck really, really hard. Yeah, fried, yeah. Did you put too much voltage into it? Hey, is it Yannick or Janik? Because I read your name as Janik. But then I play tennis and I know Sinner, whose first name. Okay, anyway, just deleting the face and hoping for the best seems like a crime. No, it's not hoping for the best. It works every time. What do you mean? I mean, if the faces are parallel, I don't see what could actually go wrong. And I'm not being sarcastic. I honestly mean that. No. Oh no, wait, did the face deletion actually backfire? Oh no. Wait. Okay, now this face doesn't exist? No. So then when we delete the face, it deletes the entire thing. Oh no. Okay, we're not out of the woods yet, it seems. Okay. I mean, it seems like that face is being created. Now we want the face to be there? This is so weird. Crap. But then this one. Shit. We might have to solve this the old-fashioned way. But in the meantime, let's just print it anyway. Who cares? I want to do 4. Two, 2.5, 3, and you guessed it, 4. No, I'm kidding. 3.5. I mean, I already know that this is way too thick, but do I know that? We'll see. I don't actually know that. You don't actually know anything. You can't actually touch anything. Foot shaft, 3.5 millimeters. All right. Fried like smoke. Okay, that sounds like a you issue. It sounds like you're putting too much voltage into it. Just make the lines actually parallel. Dude, I tried though. All right. All right, we'll see. We'll see. Why is it getting so weird? Like, look, it's like distorted. My God, look at all these plates. shaft. There we go. There we go. Ooh, sorry. Oh, crap. I want to press no, but before they're all unhighlighted. Shit. Okay, I'm now realizing I don't know which is which, but I guess I can do it by eye. Yeah, it's pretty obvious by eye. The thinner ones are probably gonna finish first, so I guess I'll put a thin one over here and a thick one over here. Let's see what our settings are. I mean, should we make these solid? I don't think, or actually, maybe no infill, like literally no infill, or should we make these solid? Probably. Solid makes sense to me. Although zero infill also makes sense to me. If they're thicker but zero infill, that wouldn't even do anything, would it? So let's just try this. Printer 2 and 3 do not have TPU. Oh, you're putting a 2S into it? That if you're putting a 2S LiPo, that will explode. Yeah, you need those can only take like 6.8 volts, right? Oh, the video's hilarious. The video is like, oh my god, like all those little kids like chasing it. It's the funniest. This is such a good video. Is this version still gonna be open source? Yes. So I get the real question is what isn't going to be open sourced, and it's going to be the step files and the Fusion 360 files. But yeah, the STLs. So the thing is, like, it's all parametric, right? Well, I'm only gonna upload one version. So if you don't like the version I do, if you want to change it, make the legs longer, shorter, whatever, different angles, you're gonna have to buy the Fusion 360 files. Or if you buy the kit, you'll get the Fusion 360 files with the kit. So, but otherwise, yeah, it's fully open source. Like the STLs of whatever dimensions I decide are going to be uploaded, and I'm not going to choose like stupid ones. I'm going to upload the ones I use, which currently is what you see. And then like all the code, the instructions, everything is going to, yeah. How I plan to monetize this further though, and I talked about this yesterday a little bit. I want to release like different versions of this that are like cooler, like genuine, like really cool, like maybe like armor pieces or something, or maybe like a pro like code that makes it do a dance, or just something. I don't know, like stuff like that. I could see selling on my website for like $20-$40 or something. I don't know. We'll see. So like I'm releasing an open source like Hexapod platform, and then I'm selling add-ons for it, almost like video game expansions or DLC. But I really like the kits are fantastic. I'm selling the kits for you guys. It's a lot of work for not a ton of money. What'll really do it for me financially are the digital downloads, because once I make them, it's just there's no extra work at all. So that's how I see this turning into something that I can potentially do full time. But kits are not that at all. Again, the kits are just to help the community out. Now you could argue, then why don't you sell the kits with zero profit? Well, I'd rather just not do that then. So, okay. Anyway, we've got one of them. Let's do the other one. I need to make these wall loops 4. I probably don't have to do that since they're already very thin, but we're doing it anyway. This looks phenomenal. All right, what do you guys think? Which spring do you think will work the best? And none of them is a correct is an answer as well. Oh, can we do like a YouTube poll? Am I gonna do a poll for the first time ever? Yeah, it'll burn. Exactly. Working for free, you will. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, a lot of the profit will. So, like, for example, for every kit, I'm not gonna be testing every part, okay? But I will, at the very least, I think I'm gonna test the screen and symbol. Dude, I actually didn't test your screen, by the way. I don't think I did. But what I will do moving forward is I'll test the screen to make sure it actually works, and I'll test the Arduino Mega Pro. And the way I'll test it, at least the Arduino, is by just uploading the code to it. So it will start with the code. I mean, the only issues I've ever had with Arduinos is like you can't upload the code to it at all. So as long as I'm able to do that, I'm reasonably certain that you're good to go. With the other parts, it take too much time to like individually test them. I mean, maybe the NRF chip. The gyro is fine. I could see myself testing the NRF as well. Because like I can just build a controller that has female headers instead of, you know, soldered parts into it, and then I just literally plug it in and see if it connects. But yeah, that'd be, I don't know. I've never had an issue with the NRF chips. Every issue I've had with the NRF stuff has been my fault. I don't know. At the very least, I'll be testing. I'll be making sure the screen and the Arduino Mega Pro are functional. Yeah, yours does have the code in it already. Like your Arduino Mega Pro does have code in it right now. Just to be clear. But yeah, for example, if someone's NRF chip is just not working, I'll definitely be sending another one. But for like, I mean, everything else is. I considered adding extra stuff like extra screws and extra. I think I have an extra heated insert. I don't know. I'm still working all this out, but we'll see. Because like shipping a little part, I can just put that in an envelope, right? That would be super cheap. What books? So it's cool. For the book bouquet thing, you choose a genre. I think I did like romantic fantasy or something, and then I left a note saying like she likes Harry Potter and Lord of the Rings and Star Trek, and she's currently reading this one book series that's I believe it is romantic fantasy or something like that. So I don't know. Hopefully they choose good books. Yeah, exactly. The receiver code, and I already have an example receiver code that you can probably modify. But then if you have your own code already, which you probably do, you'd have to like integrate it in. But that's all covered in the video pretty nicely. But yeah, we'll figure it all out live. I'll be there. It's tomorrow, right? Yeah, today's Monday. Yeah, this will be fun. PCBWay can do the full kits. Oh, for like the 3D printed stuff. The thing with so I actually tried. There's an American 3D printing company thing. It's like Slant 3D. They have a YouTube channel too, and they do like 3D printing on demand for very reasonable prices. But the reason the prices are so reasonable is because if your part is like small or slightly hard to print, not hard to print, just a little bit hard to print, it's not great quality. So like for example, they were able to print the RC case top and bottom really nicely. well, really nicely, nice enough where I wouldn't mind selling it. But oh, and they ship for you too, so they would ship directly to the customer. But the other stuff, like, well, the button springs, actually the button springs worked for them. The caps though, the caps were just not good quality at all. Like, used it, yeah, it was just bad. I don't feel comfortable using something like that. So, and then same with PCBWay, like, they do good, but I'm not able to make sure. I don't want people getting 3D printed parts that aren't good. And like, and then I was thinking, okay, I could 3D print them, but for the RC controller, sure, I could probably do that, and it would cost, wouldn't be cheap, but for the Hexapod, for example, it would literally be cheaper to just buy a 3D printer than for me to ship all the parts, because it would be big. It would be kind of a big box, and it'd be a lot of time. I'd have to price it like $200 to $300 for these parts. You could literally just buy a printer. So it's like, it just doesn't really make sense. I don't know. If there's enough demand, I'll consider it, but it just doesn't make sense to me personally. You need to sleep. Dude, go to bed, dude. Yeah, no, I do. It's good. I mean, I'm probably shouldn't talk about, I mean, yeah, but it's definitely, it's good enough. Okay. Am I printing these? I think they're both printing. You want to see all the code is online right now. Like all the RC code, all the Hexapod code, you can find it all. Although it is in 2 separate GitHub accounts, which is kind of annoying, but what am I doing? There she is. All right, how do we do a poll here? Code is scary. It's scary if you don't know it, to be fair. When's my, oh wow, you're already planning for my next stream. I'm not streaming tomorrow. I have tennis after work. Simple Electronics is streaming tomorrow, and he's gonna be attempting to attempting to put together my controller that I sent to him, so that'll be fun. And then Wednesday, no. Thursday, if I stream, it'll be Thursday. If I stream, it'll be Thursday. Okay, how do I make a YouTube poll? Can I do that? Is that even possible? From my OBS? Perfect. Okay. Oh, perfect. Which spring thickness do you think will work the best? Oh, I can only have 4 options. I wanted another option, like none of them. Or... Okay. Well, shit. All right, whatever. There you go. There's a poll. I'm curious what you guys think. Wow, my first YouTube poll. There you go, 2.5. All right, good guess. Yeah, it's all Petchy. Oh, what material is it made? Petchy. I only use Petchy. Bamboo Labs, white Petchy. Can you imagine if it was TPU? It would be like floppy. You'll be filming at the same time to make it a YouTube video. Hell yeah, dude. There's no way 3.5 is... No, there's no way. I respect the guess, though. Dude, look how thick that shit is. And keep in mind, it's solid. Although, hey, you might be right. Don't let me convince you to vote differently. Or no, it's this one. It's like freaking... Dude, I don't think this is going to bend at all. I personally would... I think this is too thin, although I thought that in the past, and then it's actually been good. My vote is going to be 2.5. But it could all depend on, like, because, like, I may want it to resist more force, so maybe 3 would work. Maybe 3.5 work. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. They do take a lot of force, to be fair. I'm just worried this won't bend at all. We'll see. We will see. Alrighty. So, while this is going on, we do have an issue that I've known about. Oh, wait. What about the freaking face deletion shit? That wasn't working at all. Yeah, let's go back to 2, I guess. Yannick was saying... Wait, now it's fine? Oh, are we good? Oh. Okay. Never mind then. Maybe it was a fusion bug. Faces look fine. Okay. Let's figure out the max thickness, I guess. Can we go up to 4? I doubt it, but yeah, 4. Okay, let's say the max is 4 because Jesus Christ, like, this is insane. What is the minimum? I'd like to see 1, frankly. Okay. Maybe the min is... Yeah, the min's gonna be 1.5. Okay. Min 1.5, max 4. I wish I could, like... I wish I didn't have to leave a comment for that, but... It's fine, it's fine. You printed them at a semi-flex TPU, very floppy, that's funny. Where are the chamfers and fillets? What are you talking about? They're right there. They're small. The reason they're not bigger is because it's printing on its side and it needs as much surface area as possible. Yeah, fusion's great. It's great until you do things that are relatively complex. And also, there's a reason I'm not printing the 1.5 one. This is... Although, maybe I should. You know what? Honestly, maybe I... Jesus, maybe... I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I said 2.5 is my... Yeah, I'm sticking with 2.5. I'm sticking with 2.5. I think 2 is good, but it might be a little too floppy. We'll see. Okay, anyway, let's put this camera back to constrained orbit. Please, get out of my face. Okay, and the issue now is that, well, let's put it back to... I'm just checking if the faces are still good. All right, the issue now is that the scaling just doesn't work, and it's because of the bridge, I hope. The bridge is just completely breaking everything. So we're gonna go back into that and attempt to fix this sketch while really, I mean, it is constrained, which makes me sad. I mean, I guess let's see what happens. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Okay. I think I have an idea about what's going on. This bug drives me crazy. The sketch like goes dim and it's so annoying. What servos are you using? So DS servos. 20 kilogram, 25 kilogram, 30 kilogram, 35 kilogram. And then there's blue and red, and they both work with this. So I'm personally using the DS 3235. Nope, that's wrong. DS 3230 Pros with 180 degrees. And they're red. That's what I'm using. I would use the more expensive ones, but I want to make sure the Hexapod functions for the weaker, cheaper ones. They're still good enough, but you know. So if you have the budget, I would highly recommend the DS 3235 Pros, which are blue, but they are much more expensive. The switch isn't moving with the bridge. Oh, that's a good call. It should be, though. I mean, I jointed it to this face. Why wouldn't it move with that face? Right? Why wouldn't this move with it? It's... Are you sure? You're using the 966. Yeah, I mean, those are insanely cheap. You'd have to do a lot of work to get those to work properly. As in, like, with the code and the dimensions. Like, you need very short legs, because they can't really handle a lot. The 2040 board seems to be pretty good, though. You're right. Well, are you right? It is, yeah. It's not moving at all. The switch. That's not good. This is moving. The whole thing moves over, but the switch doesn't move. You think that's what's causing it? So this line is always tangent to... So this should always be... Yeah, these should always follow this center pillar thing, and this center pillar seems to be moving. Well, here, let's go back to here. And now let's scale it and see what happens. Okay, yeah. So the sketch, I don't think this has anything to do with the switch, to be completely honest. The sketch is just shitting itself. Like, this line, the sketch is just absolutely blowing up. Okay. Can we go back to 160? Probably not. Oh, I guess so, but I'm just gonna undo. It's not a great sketch. It is fully constrained, but I mean, we've got this line. What is this parallel to this? Oh no, these are parallel to each other. These are parallel to each other, and then oh, and this is parallel to this. Okay, and then it's 8 and then it's 8. So why wouldn't this line move with this line? I don't really understand. I mean, let's just do 160. Let's do 165. Like, nothing... nothing is working. Oh, boy. Wait, it's only 10 amps? Why are so many people using it then? It needs at least 30. Okay, at least 20, but ideally 30. It's only 10 amps? Whoa, 15. Oh, when you say 15 centimeters long, do you mean total or do you mean the segments? Because, okay, I guess 15 centimeters is pretty short. Or do you mean like this is 150 millimeters? This is like, how? What do you mean by 15 centimeters? So if we delete this, why do I have this? Is it for the screw holes? Wait, okay, before I go deleting things. It's literally just for the screw holes, isn't it? It's just for the screw holes. Holy shit. It's literally just for the screw holes. All right. I have a feeling that is part of the issue. So we'll keep that point because we need to find it a different way. But I'm deleting all this shit. Okay, I guess. Oh, no, sorry. This is for, oh, how did I mess this up? Yeah. Right. Okay. I'm just gonna delete these and see if it's full. Yeah, okay. So ignoring these 2 points, it's fully constrained. So now does it work? I don't know. Let's try 165 now. That's not a lot of movement either. That fixed it. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's freaking, wow. Let's freaking go. All right. So now we just have to solve, how do we find these screw point locations, right? So what I did before was I took this point, the midpoint, and then I drew a line and blah, blah, blah. But it doesn't like that, apparently. I wonder if I could do it in a simpler way, because the way... No. Let me... How do I find... I mean, it looks like they're right above. I do... I do like the way that I did that, but problem is Fusion doesn't like that. I could draw an X, like this kind of makes... This kind of makes a rectangle that I could find the center of. I keep turning, dude, I keep turning my head and it's like, it's actually causing me illness. Okay. I mean, let's start. Let's start with this. That's the center? Really? I mean, I'm down for an insanely easy solution. All right. I want this to be in between this and this. Can I? Does this actually work? Come on, man. No, that doesn't work. Does that work? This would work. Yeah. That is a pretty clean way to do it, to be honest. Instead of having to draw extra lines, I just draw a driven dimension. Yeah, that's a clean way to do it. And to be clear, there are like infinite ways I can do this. It's just I want to do it in the way that least clutters up my sketch. Cool. And moment of truth. Let's go back to 180. That worked. No explosions. The sketch is still connected to everything. Wow, almost no explosions. What could possibly have... I have no idea why this chamfer is annoyed, but it looks fine to me. The holes are still holing. That is interesting, but it doesn't matter. Here we go. 160 to 180. Close, very close. Wow. So, bam. Yeah, I mean, that's... I don't know why the chamfer, like which, what about it doesn't it like? This is like a very simple chamfer. Am I free over? I guess I could split it up. Screw holes are in the right spot. Yeah, everything looks really good. Does the spring get longer? I guess is a question that I'm curious about. So that's 3.3 degrees. Uh, 0.1 degrees? That doesn't really make any sense. Am I measuring something different? Okay. I'll test something else, I guess. Can I measure the distance between those 2 points? 7.67. Yep. The spring is indeed getting longer. The spring is scaling with the length of the tibia. That is awesome. What is happening with my camera? Okay, we are not constrained, are we? No, we are not. Anyway, what's going on with the chamfer now? That's the only issue that I have. I can split it up to try to find the culprit. So let's try only the outer chamfers first. I mean, I'm assuming it's the inner chamfers that's the issue, by the way. We'll see. Yeah, I was right. Okay. Why would the inner chamfers become an issue as it got bigger? Ooh, I know how to fix this. I know how to fix this. Okay, so here we go. Set it to 180. Chamfers puke themselves. Yep, that's fine. We're gonna go to this fillet, which is one of the first things we did, and make it 2 millimeters. I see. That did not help. In fact, that made it worse. Why would that make it worse? That should have worked. Okay, 3 millimeters. How big do I need to make this? Okay. What do you possibly want from me? All right, whatever. What if I don't make it? What if, yeah, let's go back. Let's go all the way back. How about I don't make you a fillet? Yeah, goodbye. What? Oh, Jesus. Okay, what if you were just a line? Now the question is, how the hell do I do this in a way that, like, doesn't explode? I think parallel makes sense. Enough sense, at least. I'm sorry. Why would that line be moving? That had to be a visual bug. I'm sure this won't cause any issues downstream. Okay, the spring did not like that. Wait, did I delete the fillet? Oh, I deleted it. Okay. Just trying to click this line, man. Okay, like, yeah, I get it. I get it. For some reason I used something. To be clear, I am probably going to undo all of this. What the hell? Oh. Wait. I don't even know. I don't even know what the hell I'm looking at right now. Did I unselect that? Seriously? Like, really? That didn't get deleted? This is dumb. All right. I need to get out of this chat. I just bought a drone kit and now I'm looking at 35 kilograms. Oh no. That's funny. Oh gosh. Okay. Anyway, the prints are done. Okay, so I think I said, yeah, removing. Whoops. Removing the center ones. Fixed it. Which is fair. How do I get them back, though? I mean, okay, let's try this. Accent chamfer. Oh, all right. So it's just as simple as this does not work. Wait, what? I can go beyond. Oh, no, I can't. That was a visual bug. Okay. So, no. Okay. 0.95 works, but 1 doesn't work. Yeah? Is that right? Is that right? For this piece. Oh. Oh, I think I know why. I think I know why. Okay, I understand now. It's the screws. Shit. So it would work for everything except I have found the issue. How do we solve it? All right, not Fusion's fault this time, to be completely fair. These whole chamfers are getting in the way of this chamfer. For some reason, it doesn't affect the bottom one, but it affects the top one. Like this chamfer. But then wait, why? Wait. That actually, never mind. It's Fusion's fault again. So it can do this just fine. What? I'm back to not understanding what the hell's going on. Okay, well, hold on. So it can do this one. It can do this one. It can do this one, right? Yes. The only chamfer that's the issue is specifically this one. Is that correct? Yes, it is. What if I did equal? That's not going to change anything, right? Are you freaking kidding me? Why? It's just distance and angle because I had it left over from a setting. So if it's equal, it fixes it. That's actually really frustrating. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Sure. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. Sure. All right. So is it scaling properly now? Let's go to 150. Haven't tested that yet. Looks like we found our minimum. 160. All right. I would like to attempt to figure out why that didn't work. Oh, wow. I mean, I did build it in 160, which is fair. Do I have to undo all the way back to when it was 160? Like, the hell did I do? There, it's 160. And I figured out what the issue was. Equal distance, bam. All right, so that's fixed. It's 160, we're saving. Can I really not go from 160 to 180 back to 160? 180. Working. 160. Okay. It's probably an issue with the sketch, so that's fun. We're in this sketch. We go to 180. Did that even work? Oh, that might not have worked. It's just the sketch keeps going dim, and it's... Is this 180? Yeah, we're in 180 land right now. What is this parallel to? Itself? Oh. Is the issue that it's Is the issue this 1mm thing? Like, what fails? When I go back to 160, what's failing? That might help. Is there anything red? This tangency thing? Hey, babe. You did. I am so sorry. My phone was on vibrate, so I didn't hear it because the vibration motor's kind of weak. What was busy? Oh, work was busy? Yo, check it out. Look. Look. Turn my phone on. Or like wake it up. Oh, you might not be able to. Now go look. Look at the camera.
It's a cat.
Yeah, you can take it. Just take it. Just take the. You can unplug it. It doesn't have to be plugged in. There you go. I know this is what you truly want. Yeah. Well, wait. No, there's no mic. I don't think they can hear you.
Whoa.
Hold on. Let me see.
This is what Ryan sees.
It is. That's true. Well, sorry guys, I crashed it. Give me a second. I'm gonna turn the audio on, I guess.
Suki, stop.
You should have. I don't think you guys can hear it though. Error getting camera. Uh-oh. Wait, did I just break it? Nah. Hold on. I'm gonna mute this mic. Can you hear it? Hello. I think you can. Is the volume good on it? Because my mic is muted right now. This is coming from the phone. All right, here you go. They can hear you. Have fun.
Show Pika.
What do you have to say, Pika?
He's like, please put me down. That's what he has to say. Wait, show them my sweater. It's cute. I'm a pharmacist. This is how I go to work.
Here you go.
I got one compliment today. Wow. I always get a compliment when I wear it. Oh.
I turned it down. Oh, okay, I turned it down. There you go. So I'm gonna be working. You guys can just chase my cat, I guess.
She wants wet food.
You get to just watch like what I look like working. Also, I can't hear what she's saying, but you guys can, which is kind of funny.
This is where she stops, because this is where her wet food is.
You guys can hear her,
I
right?
don't know why she's screaming, because she got wet food before I went to work.
Exactly. Wait, I have a good idea. Hold on.
Oh, oh no. There we go.
There. Okay.
Oh,
Wait, are you coming back?
it keeps stopping. Can you see right now?
Yeah. No. It's not stopping. It's just sleeping. It's maintaining battery. You're good. It's been working the entire time.
Well, how do I see?
Except right now, apparently. How do you just tap the screen? Okay, you just made the whole thing crash. Natalie, what? Natalie, come back. What did you do? You just tapped the screen. Okay, let me see it. Babe, you exited the entire app.
Just do it.
Oh, okay, thank you. They can already see my face. Look, I put you in the top left corner, so now Yeah, thanks. Okay.
Wait, have you shown them your setup? It's a hot mess. Like, he has a lot of shelves. And this is... Yeah.
We're working on it. All right. I mean, it's literally in the background of my camera, of my face cam.
There's more.
Okay. Show them the shelves that are across from me.
Oh, yeah. Why is your printer on the floor?
Because I'm trying to get rid of it.
Can you get rid of it, please?
I tried to say. Does anyone want an MK3S Prusa? I just don't use it.
That's the OG one.
This is, yeah, it is. I mean, this is messy, but it is cleaner than yours.
How do I? Okay, I'm tapping.
Stop. No. Let me see it. You keep closing the app. Let me see it. Okay, because it's trying to save battery. Hold on. I'll fix it. Okay, auto dim off, apparently. There, it's not gonna auto dim anymore.
Let's chase some cats. Pika, I'm gonna get you. Run. He doesn't want to play. Run, Pika. Momo, run! Go! Go, buddy!
Let's chase.
Oh. They all left me.
We got some springs. Oh my god. Dude, this doesn't...
She's still screaming.
This one spring, the 3.5 spring, would be able to hold the entire weight of the Hexapod. And barely move.
So many cats.
Ooh. Look at it. 2 millimeters might be it.
Okay, I'm done with this. Thank you.
Okay,
It was fun for about 2 minutes.
Did you not see my hand? It was fun for about 2 minutes.
Yeah. Whoa, what are these? They're like little crystals.
Yeah. I'm trying to. We're testing which ones are good.
What are they for?
The leg. Look. So it's to replace this.
Oh, your spring?
My spring.
You spent so long working on your spring.
I know, and now we have a new version.
Wow. Cool.
It is so cool.
I thought you were not doing the spring anymore.
I don't know. Hold on. So now, crap. I need to mute this mic because we're probably getting double audio. Yeah, sorry. All right. What time are you going to bed? Because I'll be done soon. This mess on my computer, I'm not going to be able to freaking finish. Nah, I muted the mic. Is the phone microphone not good? Well, it doesn't matter because my mic can't even be heard from where I'm sitting right now. So.
Thought we had plans.
What time are you going to bed? Because it's 9:45. I'll be off in like probably 15 minutes because I'm not doing anything else. I just want to test these springs and then I'll be off. Do you have work tomorrow?
Yeah.
What time? Oh, you're going to bed at a normal time, aren't you?
Normal?
Like 10-ish? 11-ish?
It's late. Yeah, I have work 2 to 10 tomorrow.
Phone mic is not broadcast quality. Yeah, because my normal mic has a filter on it, but this one doesn't. It's still a work in progress. I'll be up soon, alright? I just want to try.
I don't want to work
Babe, what?
this week.
Oh, okay.
So I worked 4 days in a row, had 1 day off, and then I just worked 5 days in a row, and then I have 1 day off, and then I work 2 days in a row.
But you have Saturday, Sunday off.
Yeah.
So what are you talking about?
But I'm just tired of working.
Oh. Sorry. I don't. What do you want me to? Do you have vacation? Like, what? Do you want me to work for you? What?
And then work's still going to be really stressful because we're going to the new system in like a week, so it's
Ooh, a nightmare.
foreseeable future.
Well, that's not good. Ooh, I don't want to lose that. Alright, so this is good. This is probably not good. We will try, I mean, I'm going to try them all for the sake of the poll. We're going to try the 3.5 one first. I have a feeling this will not work well, but no offense, but we'll try it. Clicks. You know what? I stand corrected. I stand corrected. It works very well. In fact, this might be the one we use. Maybe. Because the squish of the TPU ball is like... Here, if I take this off... it does work very well, to be clear, but I think it's a tad too strong, just a tad. Which, to be completely honest, it works way better than I expected. I have to admit. So that was the thickest one. That was the 3.5 one. Yeah, it's just a little, in my opinion, it's a little too much. And just to give you an idea, here's the old one. That's the pressure it takes for the old one. The problem with the old one is that the switch only got pressed down if the spring was fully extended. This spring is compressed. So the first thing that gets pressed down is the switch. So I'm able to make the spring as tight, as strong as I want. With that said, this is a little too much, unfortunately. I don't think I can't. Okay, so sorry. 3 millimeters is looking very promising. Obviously, I haven't tested it yet, but based on the 3.5 millimeter test, I bet you this is gonna be the one. Although, hey, maybe 2.5 will end up being. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty good. We'll see though. So it's relatively easier to press in. I mean, the problem I'm seeing is that instead of it getting pressed all the way in, which I guess it doesn't need to get pressed all the way in, the ball itself is taking some squish, but so like it gets pressed and then you can kind of see it moving a little bit. Maybe we do even lighter, just... I think we do, yeah, I think we want it lighter because I want the spring to actually be doing things, because otherwise the force is just gonna go into the servo, mainly the femur servo. This servo, the tibia the spring does not help that at all. It's for the femur, because it's gonna be like banging down, and these gears are gonna be taking the force. Yeah, geez, we might actually go to 2 millimeters. I want this, it needs to actually take force. The Hexapod isn't that heavy, and you gotta keep in mind there's gonna be 6 of these. It's not just gonna be this single spring. So I think 3 is too thick actually. Yeah, it's 3 is too. Yeah, 3 is too thick as well. I almost want to just skip down to 2 millimeters. I'm gonna skip down to 2 millimeters and see what that looks like. I mean, should I? I guess for the sake of the poll, I'll try all 3. But I normally would not. Oh no. There's actually there's a print error with this. I'm gonna get a knife to fix it. I don't want that to be the reason there's additional friction, you know. Oh, whoops. This camera is so much nicer for the stream. Holy shit. Yeah, the micro switch is held in by a screw. You can't see it, but you see these 2 screw holes? You screw it in. You see, it is screwed in. So hopefully that makes sense. Now, mine is currently only held in by 1 screw, but... Ooh, I'm glad I tested that. I think... Is 2.5 actually what we're gonna... I'm glad I tested that. It works really well. So the initial switch press... And then the rest of the movement is the spring. And this doesn't take a ridiculous amount of force compared to the other 2. It's pretty evenly spread between the spring and the ball. 2.5 is looking good. I wonder if I could get even more movement with this without it, because like I have a variable for this amount of like this space from here to here. I could probably increase that by 1 millimeter. I already have increased it once. It's just if I make it too big, the tips of the legs are just gonna snap off. But also, I'm not happy with how easy this is to take off. But it's only, I mean, with normal hexapod movement, it's not coming off, so we'll see. All right, anyway, let's try the last one. I'm very happy with 2.5 though. Very happy with 2.5. But we printed all 4, so we might as well test all 4. No kidding, but this is even easier to spring or whatever, compress. Who would have thought? So this one, I don't know if you could tell, but the ball is taking almost, and this is what I wanted to be clear. The ball is not compressing at all. The spring is taking all of it. My one worry with that is that it's not stiff enough. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, you kind of can see it. I'm trying to simulate like having 6 legs. I think this is what we use. I'm now realizing. I think this is, it's either this or 2.5, because I'm holding the weight of the body just enough so that this leg is like, it's as if there's 6 legs, and it's not springing down all the way. Here, so this is right, and then I can press it down. So this amount of movement is what it has left. So I'm like, the leg is going to be hitting the ground. God, it might even be between 2 and 2.5. I'm not sure. I think the best way to do this is to just manually mute the mic in OBS. There has to be a cleaner way. I don't know. I'll manage the camera stuff later. I literally spent like 10 minutes setting this up. I'm gonna try to spend a bit more time setting the stream up. But regardless, it's looking like somewhere between 2 and 2.5. Yeah, guys, the pressure being put on the switch is, you can't see. Holy shit! The pressure being put on the switch is completely irrelevant. The switch can take as much. This one switch could take the entire weight of the hexapod, like easily, with these 2 screws. Are you worried that the switch is gonna get damaged or what? Like. Like, I don't know. Can I show you? Guys, it's a solid piece of plastic. I don't know. It can take. It could probably take my entire body weight without getting broken. Okay, so you're worried about it pushed out of place. Yeah, so we've got these 2 screws with this amount of plastic, I guess, or this amount of which isn't a ton, but no, it's also got all of this. No, and the screw goes all the way through. It's fine. I mean, even with just 1 screw, you saw me pressing it in. There was no give at all. The screw's not gonna snap. No. I mean, maybe if it does, then we'll figure something out. But that would be actually insane. All right, so I'm gonna end the stream here. I think maybe we'll see, because Natalie and I were gonna watch a show together. I'm just undoing to the point there. But what I mean, so I'm gonna, assuming the stream ends, which it might not, don't leave yet. The only thing left to do with the leg is to fix the parametric scaling of the spring sketch. I have a feeling it's this dimension, but I'm not sure. Can I? We don't need to see that anymore. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go upstairs, and because Natalie might just want to go to bed, we'll see. We will see. It's gonna be 8 a.m. EST. I will be there if I wake up in time, which I will. All right, I'll be right back. All right, good news. The stream is going to end at a reasonable time. Bad news. That means the stream is going to end right now. So yeah, next stream is going to be on Thursday. Okay. And I'll have multiple more cameras set up and hopefully more scenes and stuff. But anyway, this will be fixed. All of this shit will be fixed. I'll be working on, I may already finish, well, probably not, but the roll cage, but that's what the next stream is going to be on. The roll cage, I'm going to attempt to make the power switch look nicer. Assemble this in this scene to get the like joints working, because right now it's kind of weird. Yeah, just basically finishing touches to the CAD stuff, but the leg, I mean, aside from the parametric stuff, the leg is done, which is really exciting. I genuinely cannot believe how easily this spring idea actually went, and it worked first try. So like oh, this was a poll. All right, end poll 2.5. You 0 people thought 2 millimeters, but I'm gonna end the poll. Surprising that I think the 2 millimeter and the 2.5 were the two winners. Like, if this spring was supposed to hold the entire weight of the Hexapod, maybe, but because it's only one leg, the extra springiness of the thinner one is what we want. So you guys were 2.5 was accurate. It's the real winner in your heart. Dude, I can't even. Am I just like, this is 3.5, okay? I am not a weak person. Oh my god, man. Like, although this way makes a nice like little catapult thing. Not gonna lie. It's a pretty good spring if you're doing it this way. But yeah, no, 3.5 is like insane. But yeah, anyway, spring's looking good. I still need to record. I'll do this after the stream. Record some footage for the YouTube video, but record the springs with the robot stopping in slow mo. Yeah, no, I want deflection. I want a lot of deflection. Are you saying with the thickest one, or because the problem? The problem with the thicker ones is that most of the force was going into the foot. Which is fine. The foot is out of TPU. The foot is supposed to squish, but I mean, ideally the spring is the thing. I don't know. Yeah, with the okay, yeah. I'll I mean, I'll do it once I have 6 legs printed, right? Because like right now it's kind of, unless, I mean, I could probably set something up to where 1 leg is just stomping the ground, but now, I mean, for that test to be fair, would you want me to make these feet out of PETG instead of TPU? Because right now they're like the foot, I mean, I just said this, but it's like squishing into the foot and the spring isn't moving at all for the thicker ones. So I don't know. But were you able to get the button springs printed? Like at all? Because you're going to need those for tomorrow. Just the way it should be printed. Okay. Yeah, you were? Cool. How were you able to fix it? 5 survived? Wait, dude. You are printing them 1 at a time, right? Like you're using this setting where you're printing it's 1 and you're printing by part, not by layer, right? Because the layer adhesion is going to go to shit if you're printing like 12 at the same time, 1 layer at a time. Okay. Yeah, that's an issue. Yeah, all right. I think we found your issue. I don't know what slicer you're using, but there's a setting. I mean, I'm going to... I know you don't use Bamboo, but in Bamboo, it's print sequence, and you can go by object. So then it prints the whole thing at once. Okay, but if it's breaking, then clearly something's wrong. How is it? You think it's sticking too well? Okay, so maybe what I just suggested isn't gonna help. Well, regardless, you should do what I just suggested, but I guess it doesn't matter, to be fair. You're just doing the fish method. Fish have like thousands of babies, but only a couple survive, and I guess this is similar. Yeah, fair enough. Whatever works. Yeah, I guess if it's sticking to... Yeah. You're using a PEI plate with PETG, and it's sticking too well. That's surprising, but all right, whatever. I gotta go. I'll be in Simple Electronics stream tomorrow, so I'll be in that chat. But perfect. Textured PEI with PETG is sticking too well. You know what? The PETG you have might be. I don't know. The PETG, the Bamboo Lab PETG with the PEI plate is like perfect for me. The adhesion and the releases, but I don't know, whatever. I fing that too with mine. I find that too with yours. You find what? Sorry, I said like multiple things. That it sticks too well, or that... Oh, that it sticks too much? Interesting. Huh. Elegoo filament on the Elegoo plate doesn't stick for shit. But on the AliExpress plate, it sticks for... Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. I've been recently using the cool plate. It sticks... Like, it sticks insanely well, but you can use... Since it's smoother, it's a lot smoother, you can use the metal scraper to just get it off. Give some work for your printer. Oh, I got you. Don't worry. I actually wasn't going to. Not because I didn't want to. I just forgot. Here you go, Colby Colds. Foot stuff just for you. There you go. Have fun. Knock yourself out. Oh my goodness. Okay. I wish the servo cost wasn't 500. Yeah. So that's the red. That's for the red ones, right? Because that's not the cost for the blue ones. because I know Canadian dollars is like quite a bit more than USD. I'm finding my bill of materials. Hold on. So like this, stop. This is what 4 of these cost for me. Max 1. Okay, hold on. This isn't a good example. There's a, this is so annoying. Give me the non-sale version, please. There. Now what? Can I add another one? Like, no, it's not working. What? How do I buy more? Oh my god. AliExpress. So these are the blue ones. I am signed in. I'm not signed in. I thought I was. Thank you. No, it's not letting me sign in. That's awesome. Okay, now what? How do I buy more than one? $26 each? Jesus Christ. Mine are like, the red for me are like 11 each or 12 each. They're 26 each for you? Man, maybe it would be cheaper for me to buy it and then ship them to you, but probably not. Oh my. Okay, well, oh, here, yeah. 20, 32, 30 Pro 180, 12 each. So, I know this is just buying one at a time. I mean, I guess I could just buy 18 and, yeah, add to cart. You're supposed to buy the 4 packs, but it's fine. So, like, for me, it's like 200 bucks. It's a little more than, it's like 215 bucks. Is it genuinely like, I mean, that's CAD though. No offense, but like, I don't know what the conversion rate is. DS 3230 Pro 180. Is what I personally use. $18. Well, isn't that conversion accurate or? Oh no, you are. Like mine are, yeah, 12. Okay, yeah, that's about accurate. So it looks like they cost about. Yeah, I mean, yeah. So 3. That sounds about right. Right? 308 Canadian? Hold on. You said red is 500. There's no way. Is it shipping? I'm getting free shipping. Like I could buy these right now. Oh, there's my credit card. That's awesome. That's freaking great. Okay. Anyway, Yeah, but the shipping's free because I'm paying enough. I'm paying more than enough money. Yeah, well, I couldn't check the 4-pack, but the 4-pack should be cheaper than this, frankly. But I couldn't check it because it kept giving me that dumbass discount. So, I mean, the 4-pack should be cheaper. Right? Like that. I don't know. All right, well. 4-pack was 56 Canadian, yeah. I mean, that's about right. And you need 4 4-packs. No, I'm still getting the dumbass deal, max 1 quantity per shopper. So annoying, dude. Yeah, look at that. I ended up making my spring similar to this. That's cool. That's cool. Spring generator. Yeah. Oh shit, sorry, my math. Oh my god, 5, not 4. Sorry. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. 5 packs. And you should definitely get 5 packs instead of 4 packs and then 2 individual, because it's really, really good to have 2 extras. Well, yeah, I know mine's better because it actually fits, but still. Yeah, 341. That's reasonable. Yeah. That's about, because that's like 230 USD. Yeah, better than 5. When you were saying 500 Canadian, that didn't sound right. Now for the blue ones or something else. The blue ones hurt. The blue ones were like, they hurt bad. They hurt bad. So I would personally get, I mean, because of the price date, you're not really saving that much. Let's just get 3235 pros. Yeah, that's the highest. Yeah. 3235 Pro 180s. Add to cart. Go to cart. Can I? Yeah. I mean, they're slightly less than double. Like, it's a lot of money. Are you? Yeah. Okay. You keep your numbers are Canadian, so yeah. But the blue. But guys, I have blue ones. They are really good. You genuinely get what you pay for with the blue ones. I honestly. But it's double the price, so. I would recommend just going to the Happy Time online store. And buy them from there. I don't know. I mean, if anyone has a better link, let me know. What part needs the blue? What do you mean? The only thing that changes is the battery and the custom servo case back. Everything else is exactly the same. Yeah, everything else is exactly the same. On the leg, it's just the servo case back. If I had to choose, I'd go blue, like without a doubt. The only reason I'm using red is because I need to make sure the red work, because I know most people are going to go with the red ones. What is the third servo? Oh, the femur. I see what you're asking. The femur. And it's not, yeah. But you can't mix and match them, unfortunately. Send me an affiliate link. Are you going to buy them? Dude, just buy them. I don't have affiliate shit set up for this. But here, I'll send you. Oh my lord. I don't is .us okay? So from the links from the links I'm sending. You should be able to find. You should be able to find the rest of them by going to their store. You found it, okay. And this is the exact store I buy from. I can confirm this store is legit. I know, dude. I know. I agree. Okay, so you can't mix with my current... I guess... You know, now that I think about it, if you use the red... If you mainly use the red ones, you can throw a blue one in. Yes. Sorry, yes. You absolutely can do that. As long as you use the 6.6 volt battery. But the red ones cannot handle a lipo. They cannot handle a lipo. But the blue ones can. So I would put blue on the femurs. If you can buy 6 blue, put those on the femurs, and yes, that is completely legit. And actually, it's what I haven't said this, but I have a couple blue ones in the femurs because for my current Hexapod, and it's working completely fine. 530 ship for the blues. Yeah, that's actually less than I expected for Canadian. All right, guys, I gotta go. I'll see you later. Have a good night. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Hope you enjoyed the new camera. Grab me a set too. Yeah, grab me a set as well. Yeah, I'll give you. You have my address. See you, Coldy. See you, Dave. See you, Simple.